genius. You are a genius. Alright, we're doing it.
Oh no. You had to do it in the one that was right next to water so it lags even more.
Alright, come on, we got.
Let's go again. You know what? Should we just do this? Oh no! Oh no! No! Wait, do it again. No, just hide behind diamond blocks. Wait, come in here. In the.
No! No!
Oh, there it is!
Is it actually? Where? I got enough.
I can't.
I ran away. I got enough.
Run!
There's like thousands.
Wait, where are they? Oh no, I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die!
Just use a total of one dying. Don't worry.
I don't have one.
There's like a million over there, George!
I'm gonna get sniped!
Wait.
No! Where are they? Where
Oh, that drops
are
leather!
they?
That drops leather. That's kinda
Dream! Where are they?
I don't know where they are.
I'm coming.
I found a leather
Please.
flower.
No, I can't.
There's a
lagging when I
sheep.
do
Wait, are you
this.
frozen? Are you frozen?
I'm frozen.
I'm,
Yeah, I'm
I'm frozen. We're all just dead.
This spider's following me! No! The spider's chasing me down.
Oh, it fell.
No!
Wait, what happened? That's right. We haven't found ender pearls or anything like anything. Cookies.
Cookie, are you serious? No! I'm gonna die. You guys mind quartz?
Yeah, I mind. It was a
Are
sign.
you so serious?
It was an acacia sign.
Wait, are you so serious?
Yeah, I
Do
swear
it
to
again.
God.
Nothing drops it. Do it again.
Look.
No!
Yes! Let's go! Yes!
I see you. Get in my boat.
No, I'll beat you.
Okay, fine.
You said that last
Really?
time, then I whizzed
Alright.
by you.
No, okay. If I wasn't ready that time, I gave you a head start.
Yeah, okay. You gave me no head start.
I pulled.
Oh my god. I lived,
come on.
I
What's
lived
this?
because
Okay,
of my elytra.
Got one.
Alright, I'm
bada
so
bing.
happy now.
Me to you.
Alright,
No!
You're dead.
No!
How do we all die? How do we all die?
No!
Oh my god. I'm gonna place torches around here, that way we don't get swallowed.
Swallowed?
That's what's gonna happen.
I
Keep
thought-
the roof covered. Do not uncover the roof.
I'm going up.
I just-
to make the room bigger.
I just walked off. I literally just walked off. Oh my gosh. I'm in game mode 3. I'm in game mode 3. There's so many mobs. George, get in, George.
Careful. Oh, zombie! Oh my goodness, they're dropping. Kill them! Kill them!
Break that dirt. Break the dirt. They're all dropping down to the dirt.
Look at George. Look at the Enderman. They're not getting angry when I look at them in their eyes.
Oh my gosh, they doubled again.
What the heck?
No, stop attacking me! I
Why
can't
did you put me on fire?
Get rid of it. Oh, it's on fire! Get out!
There's so many mobs.
What? Okay, place a block on it.
Place a
I'm
block
dying.
on it. Place a
I'm
block
getting shot
on it.
at.
Place a
I'm
block
gonna
on
burn
it.
to death.
Place
I'm
a.
gonna burn
I
to
did.
death.
I
We
did.
did.
Look down.
Look, let me look.
Wait, are there mobs in the water?
What the hell?
Oh my
Did you
god.
punch him
George,
off?
no,
it
the
wasn't
zombie
me.
got
Look back,
him.
Get away!
Wait, I'm dying again. No, I'm infinitely dying.
Dude, oh my god, they're
Walk
all
in.
jumping down. They're all jumping down. George, yeah, be careful.
No!
You idiot. You idiot. Are you gonna die?
I don't know.
Go back to the portal. Actually, don't. There's no lava here.
Please, please, please!
I mean, you fell in lava, so.
It's impossible. What is it? Time to speedrun.
It's not impossible, but it is hard. Oh my god.
No,
Oh my god, I
no.
almost just walked off.
I'm trying to navigate. This is impossible.
You know the coordinates, right? It's the same ones as before. Yeah, I promise you, we're shifting. We're just moving so fast that you can't even tell that we're shifting.
Oh my god. Oh my. No! No! No!
What happened? What?
That's not funny, man. Not funny.
What happened?
There's like lava, like there. No!
Did you...
I flew out the window.
Where? Where did you possibly go?
I flew.
Where are
The
you?
window. The window.
Oh, I see
We
your
came in,
stuff.
I flew out the window.
Ow!
I don't know. I couldn't get off the block.
I
Like,
see your stuff
literally
didn't
kept
burn
getting
at least. You're like on. You died to fall damage. Hurry up and get back.
on- Don't worry, it'll take me 0.2 seconds. I'm on my way. Where's my stuff?
Right there.
How am I gonna get to that though? I just no.
Dude, are you
Hold on,
joking?
there's some more stuff. I gotta get. Okay, I got it.
What?
Dude, no! I'm not even like doing that on purpose. This is not fun. I don't want to do this anymore.
Dude, I swear to God, at least I haven't died. You know how I felt last episode. I just kept dying every 10 seconds.
There. I was like,
no!
I was shifting.
Me too.
was
I swear to
shifting.
God, I was shifting.
No! Please, game. Dude, I don't. Alright, guys. That's gonna be it for Sapnap today. Dream's gonna continue the series with the rest by himself. I just cannot. I can't do this. And I think my stuff burnt, dude. Oh,
Yeah, it did.
no, please! I threw the pick. Threw the pick survived.
You're so bad. What?
Didn't
The
survive.
pig didn't survive. No. I'm like glitching. It's trying to like phase me through a tree.
I know. Okay.
I just jumped an entire aquarium.
Aquarium.
Did it burn? Guys, like seriously, this is not. How?
I was shifting.
This is pissing me off to no end.
Guys, subscribe to me. I'm dying.
No, guys, only according to YouTube statistics, only 0.001% of you subscribe to me.